Hi everyone, my name is Walid and I am a civil engineer. In today's video, I am going to show you the new Civil 3D update that came, and it's very interesting because in this update we have these features. As you can see, is like pond, and then this one underground storage, and then channel. So in this video we are going to see how these features work and how interesting these features are. So first, in order to update, you just go to your Autodesk account, or you can also have the updater installed in your PC. You can also have the update from there, but I go from my account and then type Civil 3D. You can see this one. Go to the view details, and here the update section you will have this one. So like this one is 1 GB, and this one is the date. So this is the update we have, so you just download it and then you can see in your Civil 3D. So these are the release notes. So this comes with the Autodesk drainage tools that I have shown you in my Civil 3D. So we are going to utilize these tools in this video to see how it works in the Civil 3D. So I will just open a new drawing. Control open. I'll just quick. So this is I have one drawing. For example, I already have the surface in this one. I'm going to change to 1 to 5 meters, and then I'm going to freeze this one. Yeah, and I will like to have a little labels on my contours to see. So for example, I want this one is like 36 and this elevation is 35. So for example, I want a pond in this area, then I can use that tool to see. Okay, so it was into the pond. We click on the pond and then create a pond. So this comes up with this dialog box. So pond, I can say like detention pond, and the depth will be like 2 meters. Inside slope is okay, and then starting elevation from the top, and that elevation is, if I can quickly I can't zoom in, I think it was 35. So 35 like elevation point, and then this one was the 35 meters, and layer we can just do, I think 0 is fine at the moment. And what are the styles are the same. So okay, so this is the pond. For example, if I want a pond here, right click, close. So this is very nice. So this comes up with the top of the bank and then the bottom of the bank. And if I click it, I once you will click, you can have your different tab here, like we have for the feature lines or the surfaces. So this tab comes up like all the properties and this geometry. And if you see it in the into the properties panel, like here, if I can just quickly zoom, so you can see the freeboard. It's already have the free 300 millimeter freeboard, and then calculation method surface volume. So these have all the storage volumes, total volumes, and then the freeboard as well. And then you can have the 35 top of the bank and the bottom of the bank. And we also have set up the side slope, so it comes up very nice and neatly. So for example, now I'm going to do is to first see it to the model. You can see a very nice and quickly created the pond. So as you know, if you have to do this by using the feature lines, you have to go step by step and everything, but now it is very nice, very interesting tool. And so if I go for the quick edit, we can see now it says that 35 is the top of the bank and this one is the bottom of the bank, and we can add it as well. For example, click here, specify the width. Now it comes with the 6. For example, if I want 5, now it changes the width, and then it also has the slope as well. For example, if you see here at the bottom, you can see specify width or slope or grade, so you can select anything. For example, slope was 2.5, I can say let's have 2, and then the slope will be changed to the 2, and then this comes 35.5. You can see it increases at the top, and then slope you can see. So this is very nice. Now we can do another thing. For example, if you want to do is if we want to add side slopes, you will click here and you can see that it says add a select a contour. So for the selecting a contour, I can say first I will add the contours. So from here we can have add the contours, select add contours, and let's select this one. So you can see that it has the contours, like for example here uh, like this one. So it has added another contour, or you can manually add the contour. For example, if I control Z and then select my pond, add a contour, and you can see the elevation, and I type E elevation, and it comes with the specify the contour. For example, if I want in the middle, I can say like 34. It comes like this, the contour. So now if I quickly add the side slope, now it can say select the contour. I have selected my contour. Now the slope is like this. If you want to expand it, you want to close it, just click here. So now we have added the contours as well. Now if I will just see into the 3D, you can see it's comes up very neatly, very nicely. So it all depends. It's like all this, we don't have to work with the feature lines. We just have to work with our pond settings. Now if I will just want the properly neatly pond, I will go to the fillet pond, click the fillet pond. Currently it says the radius is 6, so I'm fine with the 6, or press enter. You can see it comes up very nicely. Like I can say like a little more, 8. You can see the pond comes very neatly and very nicely. And what is the good thing is, if I stretch any of the area, for example this area, and I stretch it here, you can see this comes automatically. The interior parts are very amazing, very nice. So if like, so if I see this one in my 3D view, you can see it comes very nicely and very neatly. And you can see the other thing, the best thing is, if you click on the pond properties, and you will see that it has the storage calculations as well. It's storage area, and then volume. You can have the stage storage, you have the freeboard, all these dynamics, you can play around with these ones, and these are very helpful, and these are very quick. You don't have to work with the feature lines. So I would say that this is a very nice update, and you guys should have update your Civil 3D. So in the inflows, if we connect to the pipes will be shown here. Let's quickly draw our pipe network to see how it comes. So for the pipe networks, I'm just going to create pipe network creation tools, stormwater surface is existing ground. So I will just say any of this will work. Let's say this one, pipe is 100. So like 2. And now if you will see, you can see this one. You can see this little yellow plus sign. This means if I click here, the pipe will automatically be connected with the pond, because pond is a one structure, manhole is a structure, pipe is a link. So if I will click this one, it will automatically connect our pipe to the pond. So we click it, like click it, and now it has automatically connected our pipe. And this is, I will select this one and this pond, and we will see it in the 3D to see. Now you can see the pipe is connected with our bottom of the bank, because I think this, because it's on the existing surface, I think 35 was something, and then this one was 35. But yeah, elevations we have to play around, but this is how it connected our pond to the pipe network. Now if I will say click on the pond, I will go to the pond properties, storage. All these storage have been calculated, so total volume. So if we change how much we need, then we can change our dimensions. Inflows, you can see the pipe 2 is this size, this is the invert elevation, center line, so everything with the slope, manhole start object. So this is all connected into our pond. So, and once we will have our catchment area and then the outfall, then it will be shown here. So this is, I would say that this is very nice update, and it will be better if you also to install this update and play around this one. And this is really helpful. And yeah, I think it's this is what was the main update for this one. This one also has the drainage system, but actually mostly the analysis I do is in info drainage, but you can also do it, I think, here. But you need to have your catchments, and you have to have your rainfall runoff data, and then this one can be done into the Civil 3D, but mostly I prefer info drainage for my all hydraulic analysis. So this is for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.